Dear national delegates of the European Association of Earthquake Engineering, we would like to present you the Macedonian Association of Earthquake Engineering as well as our country, Macedonia. So we prepared a short film that consists of 4 parts. In the first part, you will experience the beauty of Macedonia, the land of nature, the cradle of culture. In the second part, there are historical recordings of Skopje in ruins from 1963 after the catastrophic earthquake. Also, you'll see the footage about the first base isolated structure in the world, the primary school Pestalozzi in Skopje, which was a present from the Swiss government. In the last 2 parts of the film, we wanted to emphasize our abilities for organization of conferences. So we included recordings of the last 2 conferences organized by both the Macedonian Association of Earthquake Engineering and ISES. In this film, you can also notice some of our and your friends, experts in the field of earthquake engineering.
накрая би сакал
Finally,
да кажам
I would like to
дека
say that
градот Скопје
the city of Skopje
ќе проба да се кандидира
will try to
да организира
candidate
Европска
for
конференција
organization of European conference
по земјотресно инженерство.
on earthquake engineering.
Во колку ја добиеме,
Should we win this candidacy,
тоа би требало биде 2010 година.
the European conference will be held in the year 2010.
А ќе се кандидираме за тоа во 2006
We will announce our candidacy in 2006
на Европската конференција која што треба да се одржи
at the
во Женева.
European Conference on Earthquake Engineering to be held in Geneva.
So, this is the moment when you are going to decide who will be the organizer of the next European Conference on Earthquake Engineering. The application of the Macedonian Association of Earthquake Engineering is supported by the Prime Minister of the Republic of Macedonia, the Mayor of Skopje, and the Macedonian Academy of Arts and Sciences. We really hope that you will vote objectively, and if you choose Skopje to be the host city in 2010, you will be a part of the best organized conference ever and a really fantastic event. So see you in Skopje.